Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the Port Royal Street Revetment project. Now this project is finished and we are in the central Kingston area, and straight ahead is the downtown Kingston area. To the right, that facility was not a part of the project. That's the prison. That's a prison in Jamaica, Tower Street Correctional Facility. So this is the project, the Port Royal Street Revetment project. It was estimated to cost $950 million, and it involved rehabilitating the road, building the boardwalk you see on the left, and building a revetment wall to help protect the coastline. So it's also a part of the the name of the project is the Port Royal Street Revetment project, and it's a part of the revitalization of downtown Kingston. So the project included building 1 kilometer of elevated coastal roadway, building a revetment wall for the build a protective revetment wall, to build 4 meters wide boardwalk. That's where you see the boardwalk on the left, and you built the 80-meter Fisherman's Beach, upgraded storm drainage, pedestrian bridge, parking lot, public bathroom facilities. And it was estimated to cost $950 million, but it ended up costing $1.3 billion. And the project runs from the Raytown Fishing Village, which is where we are, to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building, which is straight ahead. So this project is actually finished, and we're going to take a tour of it. So this is one of the major corridors that lead you into the downtown Kingston area, or into the city of Kingston. And you can see on the left, they painted the wall, and Ray and Nephew has a project going on with the government where they help fix up the place by painting it. So there you can see the boardwalk that was built. Now this project is finished, but they had planned to put in street lamps along the boardwalk, and if you look closely on the left, you'll see a white concrete structure with some pipes sticking out. Now, I'm not sure if they're not going to put in the street lamps again, or if it's a case where they're just delayed and they went ahead and opened the project, or finished the project and opened it to put in the lamps after. If anybody knows what's the situation with those lamps, you can let us know. Alright, now over here you can see, get a very nice view of the downtown Kingston skyline. As you can see, the road has been rehabilitated all the way to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building, which is that structure straight ahead. Hopefully, they will continue the road rehabilitation in another project and take you all the way back to Marcus Garvey Drive. But these things take time and have to be done in phases, so this is a very good start. So that's the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade building that we're passing on the left now. So we're still on Port Royal Street, but this part now was not renovated. going to turn right now on Duke Street and head out of downtown Kingston. Actually, Duke Street looks like it has a lot of traffic, so we're going to go on to Harbour Street and head out this way.